Pothole, awesome. I wish they'd come and fill that thing. It's like right in the worst place for
I know.
people turning right, you know? Yeah, right. Oh, sorry. I don't know. I said it in my head. I didn't even verbalize it. We're gonna park it on this side. Reverse park on this side of the blue truck. I got to use my outside voice, not my inside voice. Yeah, that's fine. Awesome. Okay, and we'll take off. We'll go down to the end of this lane, and we'll turn left. We'll go and do the forward parking between those two cars there where you parked earlier.